This is your second time being adjusted overall.
Charlie, I have
Okay.
Don't listen. You are trying to form English. Just talk.
Don't come and torment me for my workshop.
Bring your hand to your chest.
You're shouting. He shot you.
Coco.
You say?
Coco.
Go and sit down.
This is the man that just got adjusted. He's still recovering.
Look at him. Just look at him.
He's still in one corner.
You know the thing move from lower concentration to higher concentration.
Wait. You don't laugh finish, you just want the wrong go. No, now press that red button to subscribe. Yes, that red button, press on to subscribe. Now, yeah, press that bell. That school bell, press on to the get our notification so that I go there among the first person to see our skits. Now, if you dey go, thank you. A lawyer.